Okay, in this video I am going to talk about question number 25 of your textbook, and the question is what? Question I am going to write 4x plus 3y equals to 15. This is equation 1, and another equation is 2x negative 5y is equals to 1. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. Okay, now first you need to decide either you want to eliminate x or want to eliminate y. Okay, and it doesn't matter what you are going to decide. The thing is only the procedure should be correct and accuracy should be maintained throughout the question. Okay, now suppose I am going to eliminate over here y, and I have decided to eliminate 5 over here. Okay, and the same video I will be eliminating x also for you in the same question. Okay, the last video I forgot, and so over here to make it y coefficient same, what I need to do, I need to multiply the equation 1 by this coefficient and equation 2 by the coefficient of y coefficient of equation, but without considering the sign. What I am saying, without considering the sign. Okay, so this equation is going to be get multiplied by 5 and this equation is going to be multiplied by 3. Correct? When you multiply, okay, when you multiply this 5 in this term, 5 times 4 is going to be what? 20x. Okay, 5 times 3 is going to be 15y. Okay, and 15 times 5, it is going to be 75. You can check it out on your calculator if you are find difficulty. Okay, now this 3 also I need to distribute on all the 3 terms. So 3 on 2, 6x. Okay, on 3 on 5, it is going to be negative 15y, because already negative sign is there and this we are distributing positive, so it is not going to make any difference. And 3 times 1, it is going to be 3. Okay, now in the last video I have changed the sign of this. Here I not required to change the sign. Why? Because this 15 is of opposite and this 15 is positive and this is negative, so simply I am going to add. When you add, you not need to require change the sign. If it is of same sign and you want to cancel out, then you need to change the sign of the down equation. So here I am not required to change the sign. This is cancel out. 20 plus 6 is going to be 26x, and this is 75 and this is 3, so this also will get added, that is going to be 78. To divide by 26, okay, so this 20x is cancel out and this is what? 26. How many times? 3 times. X is going to be 3. This x value plug in either of the equation to get the value of y. So I am going to plug in equation 1. So equation 1 is 4x plus 3y equals to 15. Now I am going to plug in x place 3. So 4 times 3 plus 3y equals to 15. Okay, 4 times 3 is means 12 plus 3y equals to 15. Now need to shift this 12 to that side. I need to subtract 12 on both sides. So I am going to subtract 15 minus 12. This is 3y, 15 minus 12, 3. Now I need to divide both sides by 3, divided. So y equals to 1. Y value is 1, x value is 3. Now in the same question, I am going to eliminate x. Okay, so the same question I am going to eliminate x instead of y, and we see how it is different from the elimination of y. Okay, the equation I am going to write, the equations are, okay, the equations are 4x, okay, now you can see clearly, 4x plus 3y equals to 15, and this is 2x negative 5y equals to 1. Correct? And to eliminate x, what I need to do, over here you can see the x coefficient is 4, here x coefficient is 2. So what we can do to this 2 we can make it 4. Correct. This is the another the thinking I am giving to you. Instead of multiplying this equation by this coefficient and this equation by this coefficient, and this is also a way you can think of out, and over here is 4, here is 2. To make it this 2, what I need to do, I need to multiply this equation by 2 only. Then in both the equation the coefficient will become same. Correct. So this calculation will be left out. We not need to do the it's not compulsory and to multiply both the equation by the number. Okay, so I am multiplying over here only the equation 2 by 2. Okay, so the first equation is going to be same. I am going to write the same equation. Okay, now this equation I need to multiply by 2, so I am multiplying this 2 multiplied by this, so 4x. Okay, now this 2 multiplied by this 5, so 2 times 5 10y, and this 2 multiplied by 1, so 2. Okay, now here this 4x is also a positive sign, this is also a positive sign, so when you add it is going to be get added and going to be 8x. But here our purpose is to eliminate this. So what to make the sign different, what I need to do, I need to change the sign of the down equation. So this is positive will become negative. Now this is negative will become positive, and this is positive, so then also will become negative. Correct. Now so this is positive x and this become negative, cancel out. Okay, now this is 3y and this is positive 10y. Okay, this sign I not need to consider now. Okay, so this is plus 3y and this is 10y, it is going to be 13y, and now 15 minus 2, it is going to be 13. To remove 13, what I need to do, I need to divide both sides by 13. This is also cancel out, so y equals to 1. Now this y value you need to plug in either of the equations. So again I am going to take the equation 1. That equation 1 is 4x plus 3y equals to 15. So 4x plus 3 times 1 equals to 15. 4x plus 3 equals to 15. To shift this 3 to that side, what I am going to do, I am going to add negative 3 on both sides. This is cancel out, 4x equals to 12. Now to divide by 4 both sides, and this is cancel out, and x is going to be 3. So answer is not going to be different. The thing is only the procedure will be different, and this procedure you need to be bit careful. It is not compulsory to make the coefficient same. We need to multiply the coefficient of the either of the equation. The thing is only this way also we can make it same. Like over here was 4, here was 2. Instead of multiplying the cross coefficient, we can multiply one equation to make it same. So here I multiply this equation by 2 and make it same. And after multiplication we can see over here both the coefficient are of same sign, but it should be of opposite sign to cancel out, as we when we started solving I have told you. So to make it different, what I need to do, down equation sign I need to change it. So 4x it was positive, I made it negative. Here it was negative, I made it positive, and here it was positive 2, so made it negative. Now this is positive and this is cancel out. Okay, this is positive 3y and positive 10y. This negative sign I not need to consider now. So 3 plus 10, it is going to be 13, and over here positive 15 negative 2, it is going to be 13. To cancel out 13, I have divided both sides, and the rest of the question will remain the same. So this is the the part you need to work out, and when you work out you will get it. Thank you.